7 Foods to Never Eat Again. The problem with most food is that it's being promoted, in a convincing way by companies for most people. Companies use the words, sugar-free, and, all-natural, on their labels. But there is no need to guarantee that the food is healthy to eat. It's no secret that there are a variety of foods that are described as healthy when they are really bad for you. In this video you'll find foods you should never eat. Number 1. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners such as aspartame have the ability to stimulate your appetite, stimulate fat storage and weight gain, and increase carbohydrate cravings. Aspartame and saccharin were found to cause more weight gain than sugar. In addition to weight gain, artificial sweeteners induce glucose intolerance by altering the gut microbiota, which can cause diabetes. Number 2. Soy Protein Isolate. The number one problem with soybeans is that 90 to 95% of them that are grown in the US are genetically engineered, so they can create soy protein isolate. The only soy with health benefits is organic soy. Organic soy is properly fermented, and is the only soy products that are recommended. Number 3. Table salt. Our bodies need salt in order to live. But the table salt that is found in processed foods is not the same as the salt that our bodies need. Processed salt is 98% sodium chloride, and the other 2% is man-made chemicals such as moisture and added iodine, which is as harmful to the body like ferrocyanide and aluminosilicate, which can also be found in processed salt. Salt also affects water retention, making your body hold on to water and causing bloating. Number 4. Non-organic potatoes. If you are looking for healthy fruits and vegetables, buy organic. Under the USDA organic rules, synthetic agricultural chemicals are not permitted in them. With that said though, not all conventionally grown fruits and vegetables have the same pesticide load. In 2013, 48 fruits and vegetables were tested by the Environment Working Group. Potatoes were among those that had the highest pesticide load. Number 5. Microwaved popcorn. Microwaved popcorn contains perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA, and perfluorooctane sulfonate, PFOS. Both these chemicals show up as contaminants in blood, and when heated up, leach onto the popcorn. These chemicals have several health dangers. The first danger is infertility. Another danger is increased LDL cholesterol levels. The FDA also states that the chemical coating WHIC is used in microwave popcorn. Backenbrec is identified by the Environmental Protection Agency as a likely carcinogen. Number 6. Vegetable oil. When the oil is heated and mixed with oxygen, it becomes rancid. This is a chemical that should never be consumed because it can lead to vascular disease. Some vegetable oils can also contain trans fats, which you now know is quite harmful to the body. Vegetable oil also contributes to inflammation in the body, and is also loaded with trans fats, which can be highly toxic. Trans fats can increase the risk of developing various diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and even obesity. Number 7. Canned tomatoes. Canned foods containing BPA is a related toxic chemical reproductive abnormalities, increased risk of breast and prostate cancer, diabetes, heart disease illnesses and other health problems. The Consumer Report test revealed that only a few servings of canned food are possible exceed the safe limits for daily children's exposure to BPA. There are various health problems associated with BPA chemicals. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.